In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your first profitable Amazon FBA product step by step, even as a complete beginner this week. Make sure to subscribe to SellerAmp for more, and let's get right into the video. On your first winning product this week. So yesterday's video, we went over a bunch of examples of winning products, and now I want to show you guys how you can actually replicate and use the products you saw in that video, the winning products we're going to find in this video, to find winning products fast. As a beginner, the worst way to source is to go to random websites and look for stuff on clearance that you think is profitable. What you should be doing instead is finding vetted items that you already know successful sellers are selling and look for those products profitably across the internet. The way we're going to do that is via the storefront stalking method, otherwise known as reverse sourcing, which is using SellerAmp to look inside the storefronts of successful sellers. Now, how do we find successful sellers? We look at who's selling winning products we're going to find in this video. I'm going to show you here, showed you in yesterday's video, everything like that. So we can see this rare beauty item is $20 at retail on their website. And then we can see we also have this 10% code that we can use again and again right there just by putting in our email. If you want to be able to reuse email coupons again and again, you want to set up what's called a catch-all email. That's catch ALL. You can do so via the website Namecheap. So we're really paying $18 for this. So over on Amazon right here, we can see we're paying $18. Flipping them at 31. We can see that's a little bit lower ROI. However, this is a beauty product. Beauty products historically have very low returns. They're very cash flow efficient. So that can work. And if we scroll down here and take a look at the charts, we can see the price is starting to creep up there too. There's starting to be some low FBA in the 38 range and such. And we can see there's only one seller between this and the 38 ballpark right here. So all the examples you see in this video are purely just, examples and such. I definitely don't think it makes any sense to go ahead and purchase these. We can see there's not much between this and a $38 price, which then shoots it up to a $10 profit. Now, in terms of finding other products from here, we want to scroll down here to the offers, and then we want to click open and open up the other sellers that are selling this product. Now, what we can do is we can see using SellerAmp, we can see inside their storefronts. So what we can do is when we can see inside their storefronts, we can see all the brands they carry, all the categories they carry, right? As well as their review count and their ASIN count. And then we can scroll through here and see all their best ASINs are going to show up immediately, right? It's like 1K rank, 23K rank, 10K rank, etc. Right? And as a beginner, you mainly want to be focusing on items below like 100,000 sales rank and such. Right here. So what we want to do is now we can see a bunch of examples of other seller storefronts that we can go ahead and look inside to find additional winning products. For example, like Rare Beauty here, we know we have that 10% code, right? So there's probably going to be some other stuff that's either going to make sense or be close. Rare. So for example, the max cost on this is 18. We can go ahead and open this up. I think we might be able to find that profitably. Don't really think we'll be able to find that for $10. I think we can totally find this for $25 or less potentially right here. So what you want to do as we're scrolling through here is you want to find fast selling items, right? We can see there's tons of examples, luckily, right here. And then what we want to do is open those up and see where across the internet we can find these, like 1K rank, 16K rank, 10K rank, etc. Right here, we can open up these and such too. And you basically just want to open up as quick as possible as many different fast selling items that you see. It's like 49K rank, 32K rank, etc. Right? And then we want to go ahead and see, okay, can we find those products profitably across the internet here? Okay, so let's see, like $36 right here. So our max cost is about 18. If we plug in that buy box price of 36, right, we can plug this in on Google here. We can see Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez right here, 23. And then remember, we have that 10% code as well, right? Coupons are really, really the key with online arbitrage here. So if we plug in 23 right here, right, and then we want to multiply that by 0.9 so we can take off that 10%. Right here, we can see that leaves about $6 profit and a 29% return on investment here. Now, the beautiful thing is I can see there's also other people FBM in this item here, and we can see this item only weighs about 1 ounce. Now, products that are well below 1 pound and well above $25 are significantly cheap to FBA. They're very cheap to FBA. So if we scroll down here, we can go here, pop on FBM right here, or sorry, FBM, and plug this in, and then this is going to ship for like $4 probably right here. So we can see it's about $6 profit. Fairly similar actually in this case. Here we can see that is not bad whatsoever. You definitely want to factor in sales tax too on SellerAmp. It's a little bit lower, but beauty products are pretty efficient from a returns perspective. And we can see if we take a look at the Keepa here that these have been a lot higher in the past too. They've been 38, etc. So this is either close or good right here, and it's not a bad first item. And when this website has a site-wide sale, that's going to be an even better product right there, and that'll probably end up being like 20% off or 15% off. So say we take off 20% right there. Now this is a really good SKU with that. 36. So this would either be a test buy or an almost good type of item right here. Let's keep rolling. So let's see, Oil Hope right here. So let's see, yeah, 16. Okay, I don't really think we'll be able to find these. We can take a look though. We're here 22. Let's see. Yeah, okay, way cheaper right there. We can pay 18, so that doesn't work. Okay, let's see. We got 42 here. Let's see. So max cost 24. Ah, yeah, here we go. Right, so check this out. So 25, then we take off that 10%. Right, so 25, take off 10%. So it's about 22.5 right there into 42.29. Right there, so it's about, yeah, $10 profit. A little bit higher competition, so we definitely want to check the Kiva, but the velocity is good. We can see prices rock solid here looking at the chart too. So we can see competition is like 70. Now it's down close to like 55, so we know that this is performing well. And such, we can see 25, we can see, boom, take off 10% right there. And yeah, so first 30 plus order right there, so it's not bad whatsoever. So we can see once you find the coupon a certain website has, it can be pretty doable to find, you know, some products profitable here. Let's see. Okay, 25. That definitely doesn't work there. Let's keep rolling. Right here. Okay, so we got some Nike hoodie action. Let's see what these guys are going for. It's like 58 bucks. Yes, you want to pay like 30 right here. Okay, this definitely looks like a deal here. Let's see. Pretty sure these are profitable. Plug this in over on Amazon here. So this is obviously a different product, but definitely looks good. So let's see. Nike Pullover Club jersey. I think there's multiple listings here. So we want the ones that don't have the kangaroo patch. Jersey. Okay, so this one doesn't have the kangaroo patch. Boom. Okay, let's see. So we're paying 30. Oh, yeah, here we go. Okay. Boom. So, yeah, DTLR charges shipping, so it's probably going to be close to like 32. Rare, we can see black, so 32 into 70. Right, so it's about $18 profit. Definitely be some sales tax involved depending on where you live, so probably close to like 50% ROI and an $18 profit. And then we just need to verify via looking at the charts that this has been there for a while so we can see. Yeah, buy boxing right around 68 for a good bit of time there. So that is absolutely not a bad ski right there, my friends. And probably going to be some other sizes that make sense too. But you can see legit, like from a winning product we were looking at yesterday, we end up finding several examples of other good stuff here. So we can see, yeah, $16 profit, 50% expected return on investment and such right there. So we got some good stuff here. Let's see. So yeah, right. And this is just from looking at a couple seller storefronts that we found just from other winning products we found, right? So you guys can open up any of the examples you see in this video and just keep it rolling from here and find additional winning items right here. So let's see, 54. Don't really think we're gonna be able to find these for 25 bucks like we need to. But we can take a look here. Yeah, don't think that's possible. Okay. Right. This looks like a potentially good item at 20 bucks. That seems cheap, or plus 20% for a kid's hoodie. Let's see. Nike kids black hoodie. You always want to stay curious as you're doing product research, right? And it's going to take a little while to get good at this stuff, obviously, as it should. But over time, you can get pretty good if you really dial in and grind on it. Let's see. Yeah, so it's got like that type of vibe, size small here. Cool. Okay. Let's see what we got. I think we got a winner here. We definitely want to look at this picture closely, but it seems to be, yeah, Nike size small there. So we're paying like 16. That is an absurdly good item. We can see, yeah, size small here. Definitely want to look closely and make sure that that's the same thing at the top, but I think it is there, right there. But purely based on numbers, that is very, very profitable, and we can see really nice over time. So let's keep rolling. Let's find some more winners here, guys. Let's see. So 12K rank, like right there, looks great. 54K rank looks good. And it's nothing revolutionary, right? Just putting in the work in terms of like figuring out, okay, what are successful sellers selling, right? And then what of those can I go ahead and find profitably, right? So I like doing mainly brands that I recognize and such, right? So like, for example, Rare Beauty, 32K, right? We can see what all these sellers are selling. Lululemon, I made some money on those before. Let's plug those in. Silver Drop White. Let's see. Yeah, not seeing those guys. Good. Let's see. 38. Damn, why is a million rank showing up right there? Okay, 60. Yes, this is a lot of high ranked products. So probably going to pass on those. Bombas, yeah. Cool. Okay, we can see a seller's got some Nike. I think we already looked at them. Let's see. Oculus, something like that. Let's see, 107. Yeah, 150. That looks very expensive right there. 67. The sales ranks on the stuff is crazy. Let's see, 14. So max cost 14. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm like looking at these items like, okay, do I think I can pay? Yeah, so 28. So there's probably not a 50% coupon. Long wearing. Let's see. That looks like this is on sale. So let's plug this in, see if this is on Amazon here. Ooh, okay, cool. And we have a 15% off. Okay. That sounds good right here. So let's plug this in. Let's see. Okay. Icon refillable lipstick case. Okay. Maybe there's variations here. Okay, there are not. All right, let's keep rolling here. Let's see. Roches, I used to wear these in middle school. Yeah, okay, we're looking a little expensive here. Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to do much with these guys. So let's keep rolling here. 24. Let's see if we can find one more winner here. Okay. I don't think any of these guys are good. Let's keep rolling. Headbands right here. Max cost at 4. That seems pretty cheap. I don't think we'll be able to do much on these. Let's see, this is 50% off. Let's check if this is on Amazon here. This is a completely different brand too. Let's see. We want, yeah, Lululemon. Lulu headband, reversible headband. Okay. Not seeing an Amazon listing for those. No problem. Let's see what we got. Let's see. So 13. So let's see. Any of these guys make sense? 26. Ah, here we go. Okay, so 13 and 26 right here. And then this is very FBM friendly too. So we can see right here. So let's see. Yeah, so we're close. With sales tax, I don't have any factored in. That wouldn't make sense. This would definitely be the type of item you'd want to put on an almost good spreadsheet. And so we would export this out to an almost good spreadsheet, because if this went up to like, 28 or 29, this would be a really nice SKU and everything. Just currently not going to be the kind of thing we're going to be profitable on. Even though there is good cash back on Nike.com. On clothing ads, you don't really want to go below 30% ROI right there. Okay, let's check these guys out right here. 8-inch knit shorts here. Okay, dry fit. Looks like we've got a couple listings that might work here. 28, definitely not good right there. $10. Whoa, that's like $20 shipping. Okay. So yeah, that definitely doesn't work here. This is an interesting SKU because there's actually two black and there's black and white ones here and black and white ones there. There's like two listings basically. So 32 into 20. Yes, this is about like break evens. This is like an almost good spreadsheet type of item. Rare because it's about break even there, but definitely not gonna be the kind of thing that fits the bill. Got black and white ones on here. Nope. Okay. Keep this rolling here. 26, yes, we're passing on those, no problem. 22, nope. All right, let's see. Got some more beauty stuff here. Some other sellers. We can see Neutrogena, Olay, stuff like that. We got Under Armour t-shirts. Amazon's on those. Not a huge fan of those. Already looked those guys up. Nike glove sets. Let's see. Pegasus. Here, Under Armour. What this? We'll take a look. I've found some of those t-shirts profitable before. It just with Under Armour, there's like tons of different colors and sizes, etc. So it's a little bit confusing to track down stuff the way you need to right here. Typically, it has to be very, very cheap. Let's see. Okay, let's see Pegasus shoes right here. 89 right here. Let's see. This looks like a potential deal right here. You always want to be curious when you're doing these Google searches, right? In terms of figuring out other items that might end up being good here. Let's see, like they got these guys, this weird color here. It's terrible. What we can also do is we can go here and image searches with Google and see if an Amazon listing pops up, which it's looking like in this case it's not going to. This is what? Pegasus Turbo running shoes. Let's plug this in. It's Turbo running shoes. Yeah, here we go. It's a whole mess of colors here. Black, white, yeah, 89. Gray, pink, blue. All right, Air Max SC gray. Air Max SC trainers. Yes, let's see. Serpent 63. Ooh, damn. So a lot of these are out of stock. These are probably honestly good. They're just out of stock here. But if like you see a listing sell out, there's a good chance that resellers were the cause of it selling out. Right. So let's see. $50 here. Yeah. Let's see. Air Max SC black red here. Air Max Systems. I've sold some of these before. Yeah, $90 here. Okay. Yeah, so we can see these are right around like 50, right? So this is pretty close to being a good item, right? Or it's going to be good in certain size. Let's see. So yeah, 83 into 50, not quite. Let's see right here, 94. Yeah, so $50, it's like $21 profit right there. Yeah, so this is not bad, right? Going to be a little bit less with sales tax, right? Depending on your situation. Here we can see, yeah, okay, so these have been, yeah, wow, so these have been higher too in certain times. We can see competition's up a little bit. However, we can see the past couple weeks has even been like lowest of 107 and such, right? So this is going to be the kind of thing that's definitely pretty close to being good or good, depending on kind of how the chart looks, depending on where you're looking at this and such. So we can find in just 15 minutes, 16 minutes, several examples of stuff that's either close or good. And this is what you should be implementing on your own. And we saw a bunch of examples of winning stuff that you guys can start at your own in terms of storefront stocking to find additional products too right there. So if you guys got any questions, let us know down below and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.